The Lords Children and Families Act 2014 Committee has found that the Act has failed to improve and support the lives of vulnerable children and young people due to the lack of government scrutiny, monitoring, and implementation. The Act set out to give greater protection to vulnerable children, better support for children whose parents are separating, and help for parents to balance work and family life. But the committee's post-legislative review found that this opportunity was missed, and instead it has sat on the shelf for 8 years. The committee has now made a number of recommendations on how the government can finally realise its ambitions, initially set out in the Act across the themes of adoption, family justice, and employment rights. Adoption. The committee found a lack of post-adoption funding and support for children and families. Support is too difficult to obtain and isn't focused on identifying and addressing problems before they threaten adoption placements. The current post-adoption contact system is outdated and inflexible, relying on antiquated letter sending. A failure to modernise contact to online and digital methods threatens to undermine the entire adoption system. Family justice. The committee highlighted the creeping delays in family law cases, which started long before the pandemic, and recommends bringing case durations back below 26 weeks as a priority. It found that the current focus on mediation to resolve disputes is not always appropriate for everyone, and that separating couples need access to impartial information and advice to help them navigate the family courts process. Employment rights. The committee found that employment rights are important in helping families balance their work and home lives.
It supports an ambition for a new dedicated 12-week leave allowance to replace shared parental leave.
Find out more and read the full report at HL Children Act.